In real estate, properties can disappear from the market faster than you can blink. One minute you're eyeing your dream home, the next it's gone. Ever wonder why? Whether you're buying or selling, understanding these quick market changes can give you an edge. We are growthsense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling. Here are the top 10 reasons properties vanish so fast. Number 1. Change in seller's circumstances. Life happens, right? Job transfers get canceled, divorces lead to reconciliations, or sellers decide they're just not ready to part with their home. These personal shifts can mean listings are pulled without much warning. If you're on the hunt, keep your agent in the loop. They might hear about a property going back on the market before it's public. Number 2. Market conditions. The economy has a way of messing with real estate. High interest rates or slow job markets can scare off buyers, causing sellers to hit pause. On the flip side, when demand spikes during low-rate periods, properties are snatched up instantly. Keep an eye on local trends. Timing is everything. Number 3. Overpricing. Sellers sometimes let emotions set the price instead of the market. If buyers aren't biting, those properties might be pulled and relisted later at more realistic prices. Track homes you like. They might reappear with a price drop. Number 4. Poor property presentation. Bad photos, cluttered rooms, or zero effort in staging can kill buyer interest. Sellers usually realize this after some silence and take their listing down to regroup. As a buyer, look past bad pictures. Sometimes there's hidden potential that others miss. Number 5. Low interest. When a home doesn't get enough attention, sellers often rethink their strategy. They might come back later with upgrades or a better price. Keep tabs on properties that disappear. Chances are they'll return stronger. Number 6. Lackluster marketing. A lazy marketing approach can bury even the best homes. If sellers or agents don't put the word out properly, say through social media or other platforms, listings can go unnoticed and be removed. Make sure your agent knows how to market effectively if you're selling. Number 7. Problems with the property. Inspection issues like foundation cracks, plumbing disasters, or title disputes can derail a sale fast. Sellers often pull their homes to address these problems before trying again. As a buyer, be on the lookout for fixes that could work in your favor when negotiating. Number 8. Seller decisions. Sometimes sellers just change their minds. Maybe they solve whatever financial issue prompted them to sell or decide to wait for better conditions. Patience pays off. Those homes might resurface when timing feels right for them. Number 9. Wrong timing. Listing in the middle of a slow season or during heavy competition can backfire. Sellers may pull their homes and re-enter the market when conditions improve. Use seasonal trends to your advantage as a buyer. Number 10. Realtor. Changes. Switching agents mid-sale isn't uncommon. If a seller feels their current agent isn't delivering, they might take their home off the market while transitioning to someone new. Watch for these properties. They often come back with fresh energy and better terms. Looking for ways to stay ahead of these market twists? Check out growthsense.com. Whether it's finding hidden gems or navigating tricky situations like distressed properties, we've got tools and resources to help you make smarter moves in real estate.